bitch, count your blessings. Please don't count my bluff, cause I know a couple bitches who will go, ayy. Bust a couple shots through your doorway. Looking like a scene from Grey's Anatomy. Watch what you say when you at me, cause I know a couple bitches who will go, ayy. Bust a give me the best of the band. What? Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again, honey. And yes, y'all, today, as you guys can tell by the title, it is going to be a hair review on this beautiful hair by Quamoreityhair. This hairline, y'all, is popping. It's black owned and I love it. Okay, this video is not sponsored. I did purchase this hair with my own money. Well, my mom's money. My mommy bought me some hair or whatever. I asked my mommy to buy me some hair, and she bought your girl some hair. So yeah, I did purchase 4 bundles of the deep wave hair, 226 and 228, and I did get a 20-inch frontal. Loving my bundles from Quamoreityhair. I do have 4 bundles of the deep wave, fresh out the pack. As you guys can see, it's thick from the wefts all the way to the tips. Deep wave wet. Okay, this is the 28 inches. I got 228 and 226. Okay, as you can see, it's thick all the way, and I love that so much. So yeah, I'm excited. Together, looks pretty thick to me. Side by side. So this is my first time having the HD lace, and as you guys can see, it's beautiful. Okay, like all of her frontals are HD lace, and I just think that that's so. The 13 by 4. You can find Quamoreityhair on Instagram, and they do have a website. I will leave everything down below, but I personally love the hair. This is a HD lace frontal. The owner is black owned. It's a female, of course, and I'm so excited, guys, because I really like this company. My other cousin also has some hair from them as well. Quamoreityhair is owned by my cousin Quadeja. She really makes sure that the hair is good, and you know, her customer service is A1. That's number 1. And number 2, I will leave a picture of my cousin and the owner of the hair, my other cousin. We're all wearing the hair, and it just looks so beautiful. I love the hair, and it's just bomb. Like, come on, like, great quality. The price is decent. Since I was going to Jamaica, I really needed some good hair, so I said, let me see what this black owned company is offering and what they're about. So yeah, this is a deep wave. I wet it yesterday, so it's pretty dry now. I like the fact that it's soft. Okay, it doesn't tangle that much in the nape area. I was able to rock out with this wig with no problems in Jamaica. So yes, I really like the hair, and this is my first HD lace frontal ever, so I'm really digging like the frontal and how it just looks like my hair. I mean, we know it's not my hair, but it looks like it's growing out the scalp, honey. It looks like it's growing out the scalp. Okay, so I really like that. As you may see, and yeah, I'm really digging the hair. I'm really digging it. Now, okay, so yes, I did buy 4 bundles of the deep wave when I bought a frontal. I didn't make this wig. Usually I make my wigs, but I didn't make this wig. I had my other stylist. Her name is WIGS by M. She is on Instagram, but she made the wig for me because I didn't want to make shit. I didn't want to make my wig, nothing. So she made my wig and she had installed it for me for Jamaica. But what happened was, like, I don't wear glue. Does not work for me. I don't know how it works for other people, but glue, like the bow hold and all that other stuff, those do not work for me. I don't know what it is. Those don't work for me. What works for me, what stays on, is the Got To Be spray. That's the only thing that works for my type of like body chemical, chemistry, whatever the hell. Like, that's what works for me. Nothing else works for me. So that's why I like to use my Got To Be spray. I have that in Jamaica and I just reinstalled the wig because the whole glue, it just becomes like, the way I sweat, it just becomes a sticky mess. But yeah, overall guys, I like the price of the hair. Now I did pay, I believe, $5.85 for, again, this is an HD lace frontal, so gotta keep that in mind. And honestly, ever since I had HD lace, I don't think I want to go back to normal lace. Like, I really like the whole HD lace. Like, I really like it because it looks so much real and it's less, it's like less work you have to do to make it look like yours. Like, it's less work you have to do to hide the lace, and I like that. And the bundles come very, very thick. I am switching over a new phone, so I don't know if I still have that video of me showing the hair, but yes guys, I pretty much love the hair. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the beautiful hair and how it is low maintenance for me. Like, it's not really much to do. Like, I would wet the hair thoroughly, like drench the hair. Usually when I got the hair, I only conditioned it. Like, I don't ever put shampoo in my curly hair, and I like that this hair gets bigger. So right now it's a little tamed, but I like the fact that it gets big. I really, really like that. Like, it gets way big. Like it looks like instead of buying 4 bundles, it looks like I'll probably put 5 or 6 in here. And I like that it's true to length. Okay, the hair feels good. Didn't have any smell when I got it. And the hair, honestly, I would give this company a 10, period. I would give them a 10 because 1, they're black owned, 2, customer service is great, 3, the hair is actually good, 4, the lace is perfect, and 5, I like the fact that she cares about like the hair and how it's doing and stuff like that. So me personally, I like the hair. It's been a minute since I said I like a company, so if I was y'all, I would go check out Quamoreityhair. And yeah y'all, I also have a code NEF10. I'll leave it on the screen, my discount code, so you guys can use that. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely go check out Quamoreityhair. Support a black owned business that's actually professional, because every black owned business you don't have to support if they're not professional. If the customer service is not on point, you do not have to support every black owned business. However, if they are 10 out of 10, definitely support. And this company is a 10 out of 10 because I said so. So yeah y'all, go definitely hit up them. And I'm definitely going to be getting some more hair. She also supplies wigs. She also makes wigs. And she has a lot of different textures that you can, and styles that you can buy. Some fall time is coming. You got to get them popping wigs, okay? So guys, definitely let her know that I sent you, okay? Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it loving. Glam.Nefercent signing out. Love you guys.